Gotcha. So,
you know?
my advice would be like, if you're gonna do like make like 20 accounts and make 20,000 a month, this needs to be planned out and also dated,
Yeah,
right? Like, the reason why is because it is not a normal thing to be able to do something like that, and it becomes easy to fall behind on schedule, right?
if a customer like orders something and then like they're like, oh, we put the wrong address, like what's the best approach? Like, can you actually put a different address when you deliver? Is that gonna like affect the account at all?
I would cancel the order and then put in the new address and reorder to the new address on Amazon.
You on Amazon, right? Oh, okay. So it doesn't
Yeah.
matter that they message saying, "Oh, hey, this is the wrong address. Can you ship it to that one?" That doesn't matter.
Yeah, I just go ahead and do it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Yeah, that's all I have for you. Do you have any tips or anything for me?
Right now, I would say like list home and garden. I think I told you that last week.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And then otherwise,
I'm kind of
I would say like the tips depend on like where you're like tips on what exact, like your eBay account, scaling it
no,
or
just in general, just
gotcha.
any advice to me.
For you specifically, how many accounts do you have fired up right now?
Like I have like three that are running that are actually like listing and I'm getting orders and stuff, and then I have like three that I'm basically warming up, and
Gotcha.
then probably
Got
three more that I'm about to fire up, create accounts for. I
okay.
got those.
So
Yeah,
so regarding the tips, right? What I would tell you would be like write down, make like a blueprint for like next meeting. And what I mean by that is write down like how much money that you want to make in a month. Like something that's like somewhat realistic for your skill set today. And don't put like $1 billion because I can't tell you how to do that. But
yeah. Okay.
you know what I mean? Put down like how much money you want to make in a month, right? And
Yeah.
then down a blueprint on how you're gonna get there. And then what we can do is like we can kind of
Yeah.
present your blueprint, and then
Yeah.
we can give you the tips based off of that
Yeah.
blueprint.
Brother,
You know?
I could tell you that right now.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have like a diagram built out and everything?
Not a diagram, but I mean, I have like a table where I'm like, okay, so by the end of this year, inshallah, I want to have 20 accounts, right? And at minimum, if they're making 1K each, that's 20K profit a month, right? So
Do, do,
that's why I'm going crazy right now.
yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
do you have it in a way that you can share it on the screen and then like something or
Uh,
so that yeah, go ahead.
I can't just because I'm not home,
Gotcha. So,
you know?
my advice would be like, if you're gonna do like make like 20 accounts and make 20,000 a month, this needs to be planned out and also dated,
Yeah,
right? Like, the reason why is because it is not a normal thing to be able to do something like that, and it becomes easy to fall behind on schedule, right?
for sure, for sure.
Usually, the problems people have on being able to execute a plan like that is not actually that they don't know how to do it. It's more like the human problem. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
So
No, yeah, for sure.
right. So to counter that, what I would tell you would be go on Miro.com, Miro.com, and then
Hmm.
write down your blueprint or draw out like diagram, like an overview on exactly how you're gonna make your 20 accounts, and then put down dates on when each phase of the project is gonna be completed and hold
I
yourself
got you.
accountable. And then what we can do is like every week we can kind of like look at your plan and see that hey, are you on schedule? Why aren't you? And then we can kind of diagnose those parts and then kind of solve them bit by bit. But once you have like that overview drawn, right, having somebody who kind of already went through that phase can kind of tell you that okay, you didn't account for this. Look at this part. Think about this. Like how it'll kind of design your blueprint or
I
optimize.
got you. I got you. I got you. Okay.
Yeah.